Foods that reduce cough, chest congestion, and phlegm. Tired of that stubborn cough and chest congestion that just won't quit? Let's clear it up, naturally. Don't worry, nature has the cure. Ginger, a natural decongestant that clears mucus and soothes your throat. Turmeric, packed with curcumin, it fights inflammation and relieves chest tightness. Honey, coats your throat, reduces coughing and calms irritation. Garlic, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial food that helps clear your lungs. Pineapple, contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down mucus naturally. Peppermint, opens airways and eases breathing with menthol freshness. Warm soups or broths, hydrate, loosen mucus, and give instant comfort. Add these healing foods to your daily routine, and breathe easier, naturally.